Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is July 1st, 2025. Here is what we are covering. Microsoft has developed an artificial intelligence system led by British tech pioneer Mustafa Suleyman, which outperforms human doctors in diagnosing complex health conditions, marking a significant stride toward medical superintelligence. According to the company, the AI, enhanced by OpenAI's O3 model, achieved over 80% accuracy in solving challenging diagnostic case studies, significantly surpassing the 20% accuracy rate of practicing physicians without external resources. Despite the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of the AI system, Microsoft emphasizes its role as a complement to doctors rather than a replacement, highlighting the importance of human elements such as navigating ambiguity and building patient trust. The company envisions a nearly error-free operation of the system within the next 5 to 10 years, potentially revolutionizing global health systems. And speaking of innovation, universities nationwide are reevaluating their computer science curriculums in response to the rapid advancements in generative artificial intelligence, AI. Esteemed institutions like Carnegie Mellon University are contemplating significant changes to adapt to the evolving field. The emergence of AI technologies, such as those powering advanced chatbots, is particularly impacting disciplines that prioritize coding skills. With AI tools now capable of generating code, there's a growing consensus among educators to shift focus towards computational thinking and AI literacy. This paradigm shift also reflects in the job market, where demand for traditional coding skills is diminishing in favor of roles requiring a blend of technical and critical thinking abilities. The transformation underscores the profound impact of AI on the future of computer science education and the tech industry at large. In related tech developments, Anysphere, the creator of the popular AI coding editor Cursor, has introduced a new web app that enables users to manage coding agents directly from their browsers. This development extends Cursor's capabilities beyond its initial offering, an AI-powered integrated development environment, IDE, by introducing background agents in May and a Slack integration in June for task assignments. The web app facilitates sending natural language requests to command background agents for coding tasks and monitoring their progress. Anysphere's recent announcement highlighted Cursor's significant growth, with over $500 million in annualized recurring revenue and adoption by over half of the Fortune 500 companies. The launch is part of Anysphere's strategy to broaden Cursor's utility and accessibility, including a new $200 per month Pro tier. Switching gears to a different facet of AI, Google has unveiled a new app for Google Calendar on the Apple Watch, marking its debut on watchOS. This app, available in version 25.41, enables users to view a week's schedule and Google Tasks directly on their wrist through color-coded cards showing time, event title, and location. Although it doesn't allow for editing or creating events, it offers detailed views and introduces 2 new complications for easier access. This edition follows Google's previous watchOS apps for Maps, YouTube Music, and Keep. From AI encoding to another tech update, the movie industry is witnessing a potential resurgence to pre-pandemic glory, bolstered by a robust Memorial Day weekend box office that raked in an estimated $325 million. Following a challenging period marked by decreased theater attendance, strikes in 2023, and a shift towards streaming, this recent success signals a hopeful turnaround. Analysts are now eyeing a $4 billion summer box office as a benchmark for a healthy year, reminiscent of the prosperous 2010s. Key releases and sequels, akin to past hits like Avengers: Infinity War and Incredibles 2, are expected to draw crowds. National Cinemedia's Manu Singh highlighted the unique communal experience of moviegoing, suggesting it could become a central cultural activity in a fragmented entertainment landscape. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.